Oh, welcome to a Steam tutorial on how to load into a beta version of a game. First things first, if you guys just want to leave a like and comment down below for me for the algorithm, then I'd really appreciate it. And then the next thing that you're going to want to go ahead and do is find the game that you want to do that for. Right click it, go to properties, go to updates, or well, not updates, betas, and then from here you just need to find the beta code. So like, let's say I want to go to Rust Legacy. Let's go ahead and go to a new tab, Rust Legacy beta code. Oh. And if that access was available, or like not that access, if that code was available, like if there is a code for it, you'd be able to find it wherever you want online and then enter it into this private beta section. And then when you launch the game, it'll launch the game on that previous save or like beta kind of thing going on. If you guys have any questions, leave them down below. But other than that, though, it's been a Rust tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.